Today we're going to learn how to do the rib stitch as a border. It's best to have a simple border going around your piece, whether it's a blanket or whatever, and you're going to want to be sure at least 3 stitches are worked into the corner stitch, depending on what kind of border you do. If it's single crochet, 3 stitches. If it's double crochet, you want 5. It really just depends. To start the rib stitch border, you're going to attach your yarn using a slip stitch and then chain 3 more. So you're going to have a total of 4 chains. Now you can actually chain as many as you want. You're just going to chain however long you want the rib stitch to be plus a turning chain. Once you have your foundation chained, you're going to want to probably turn your work to the side and you're going to single crochet into the second chain from the hook. And then you're going to continue to single crochet into the next 2 stitches. So you will have a total of 3 single crochets. Once you have your 3 single crochet, you're going to slip stitch into the next stitch and then slip stitch into the next stitch after that. So you will slip stitch twice. And then chain 1, this is going to be your turning chain. Turn your work and you're going to single crochet into the back loop only of the 3 crochet stitches you just did. So here's the first single crochet, back loop only. And the second, back loop only, single crochet. And the third, it's a little tough to see here, but 3 single crochet back loop only. Then you're going to chain 1 and turn your work. Then you're going to repeat. You're going to single crochet back loop only into the 3 stitches that you have. That's 1, here's 2, and 3. And now you're going to attach it into the next stitch of your main piece using a slip stitch. So we'll slip stitch once and slip stitch twice. And then chain 1 as our turning chain. Turn your work and we're going to repeat. 3 single crochet back loop only. Followed by 1 chain for a turning chain, turn our work, and we're just going to repeat. Continue doing this until you reach the corner stitch. Now when you reach the corner stitch, I like to do a total of 3 slip stitches into the corner stitch. We need a little extra to help us around the corner. So here I'm at the corner stitch and I'm going to slip stitch once. And instead of slip stitching into the next one, I'm going to chain 1 and turn my work. And I'm going to repeat the pattern of 3 single crochet back loop only. Chain 1, and 3 single crochet back loop only, and instead of working into the next 2, I'm going to work into the corner stitch again. So we're just going to slip stitch once, chain 1, turn our work, and repeat the pattern. 3 single crochet back loop only, chain 1, turn our work, and 3 single crochet back loop only, and this will be the last one I work into the corner stitch. So once I get to the bottom, I'm going to attach it again with a slip stitch into the corner stitch. But then I am going to go ahead and slip stitch into the next stitch. Chain 1 and continue with the pattern, going straight across and working the next corner stitch the exact same way. This gives us just a little bit extra to help us around the corner. And here you can have an idea of what the pattern's going to look like. I think it's really so beautiful. I love the texture. Once you work all the way around your project, you're just going to cut off a length of 6 to 8 inches of yarn, and you're going to just sew the beginning and the end together. Very simple. I hope this helps. Can't wait to see what you make.